Okay, well, welcome back to the final part of this product demo for the ALLTEST DSD-867 line. And what we're showing you here is the results that we've obtained on these 6 drug groups in this 6-panel or 6-drug saliva drug test. Now, you'll see the abbreviations in this window at the top of the membranes. Now, the coding for this will be on the cartons and in the instructions that you've received. The coding will vary depending on the combination of drugs you've selected and purchased on your test kits. But on this window, for instance, we have OPI for opiates. And then for the interpretation of the results, you're looking at the control line, which is the top line nearest to the coding on the strip, and the presence or absence of a test line showing at 5 minutes, which is, as indicated on these results interpretation guides, the lower test or lower line that forms the test line. So we've got 2 lines on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6, indicating that this test was all negative. So no drugs were detected. You've got 2 lines showing. Now, just a little bit about the colour density, saturation and thickness of the lines. You will see as I rotate that test round, if you just compare that centre results and control lines for cocaine against the cannabis, you will see that they're thinner and fainter. That is of no consequence at all. As long as you have a control line and a test line showing at the read time, you must interpret that as a clear negative result. These all screen to different cutoff sensitivities, and you will see some variance even between different samples, but certainly on different test membranes when you compare these control lines and the test lines. And you must always interpret a very faint, very thin or even partial test line as a negative result. If you are in doubt, repeat the test, but the thickness of that test line does not have any bearing with regard to a test being just positive or faintly negative. These are cut-off tests. You must interpret the results as positive or negative using this guide. So there you have it. That's the DSD-867 saliva barrel drug test. Very easy to do. The key element in running these tests professionally is to ensure that you collect a good quality saliva sample with that swab on a stick, and to do that, key element is to both move the swab well around the oral cavity to pick up any drug residues, particularly the cannabis residues that may still be lingering in the mouth, and also to adequately saturate that swab with enough saliva that's going to be discharged to run the set of 6 drug strips that are loaded into these tests. These tests are available from UK Drug Testing and Drug Testing Kit. Sample packs are available. You can buy these individually or in manufacturers' original packs of 20s or multiple discounted packs of 100 tests.